Hello. Today I'm going to look at setting up a rainwater collecting system. Now I'm going to set up my rainwater collecting system on the shed behind me here. And as you can see, the roof actually slopes away from us. So all the guttering and so on that we need to put on this wood shed needs to go around the other side. So let's take a look. Here I am outside the garden next to the electricity building. And here we have the wood cabin which runs along the fence line of my garden. The guttering is going to run down here along this board, descending to a collecting box here, which will then send the water down into the collecting barrels. Easier said than done. So the job's done. Let's take a closer look. Here we have our little electric company building, and here we have the back of the shed. So we have the guttering here coming down as planned, slight incline down to the collecting area here, then passes through this tube which is again attached here to stabilize it a little bit, and down into our collecting barrel. So there. Simple. We'll take a look at the other side where we've got a bit more light and we can see the barrel end of things. Here we're at the side of the shed, back in my garden. And here we can see what's happening at the level of the barrels. Here we have the incoming tube which passes into the first barrel. When this barrel is full, water will pass through this overflow tube and into the second barrel, which is at a lower level. And the same thing happens here. This will fill up, and when water arrives at this level here, at the top of the barrel, it will then start to overflow into this tube and into the third barrel. And the third barrel has an overflow which then passes out onto the terrain behind and will just allow the water to part normally once all these three barrels are full. So there, a very simple rainwater collecting system made by somebody who is certainly not a DIY expert.